Hello, my name is Justin Bergner, Industrials Analyst and Portfolio Manager at Gabelli Funds. I recently got back from an investor trip to meet with companies of interest, including visiting Mueller Industries at their Copper 2 plant in Fulton, Mississippi, attending an investor day for Distribution Solutions Group in Fort Worth, Texas, and meeting with Trinity Industries in Arcosa at their Dallas headquarters. Today I want to discuss observations from the Distribution Solutions Group Investor Day. DSGR is a specialty distribution company formed by the merger of two distribution entities owned by the private equity arm of Luther King Capital Management, LKCM, with publicly traded Lawson Products, which occurred in April 2022. Today, LKCM and its affiliates own 36.4 million shares, or 78% of DSGR. DSGR's stock is up nearly $7, over 25% to $32 per share in the week and a half since the event, which we attribute to investor interest and comfort with the leadership team, along with the stock's low liquidity. The Investor Day attracted nearly 50 external analysts and investors, suggesting some new interest in a not so well understood name. With respect to the leadership team, the division heads for Gexpro Services, TestEquity, and Lawson Products presented and impressed. Gexpro CEO Bob Connors has run this business for close to 30 years, and he has built up a $400 million profitable business providing OE and aftermarket distribution and other supply chain services for the manufacturing needs of large corporations. Cesar Lanuza, Lawson's CEO, brings energy and ideas with over a decade of distribution experience at Grainger and as CEO of privately owned distributor John Donne. We continue to have concerns about the holding company's complexity, its aggressive M&A against a worsening macro backdrop, and some efforts to push price. However, we see no reason that the shares can't trade at or slightly above 10 times 2024 EBITDA, corresponding to $30 per share. 10 times EBITDA is still a 1 to 2 turn discount versus peers on account of the company's complexity and the stock having a controlling shareholder. Ultimately, distributors need scale and outgrowth to hold together as larger customers get larger and consolidate their supply base, giving those customers more negotiating power. Each of Gexpro, TestEquity, and Lawson Products arguably lack scale and outgrowth on their own. The merged holding company, Distribution Solutions Group, can create that outgrowth by cross-selling to customers across its distribution businesses. Of course, the company needs to execute well and avoid getting overwhelmed by complexity. So far, so good. Stay tuned.